Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to create an ebook on Canva. So to create an ebook, it's pretty simple. First of all, you want to search in the search bar ebook and just click enter, and then you will see a lot of ebook templates. As you can see, there's like kids books and so on and so forth. You can actually search for something: finance basics, content making. Maybe let's write down ebook fashion, something like so. And now we will find like a fashion ebook. So let's, for example, use this option and let's customize this template. As you can see, this is only one page, but basically you just click add page and you enter. Now let's click on table of contents because we need it. And let's use this option. So chapter 1, 2, and 3. And you basically just write down whatever you like. So just created something like so, and now we can add another page. Fashion ebook, and let's just use these examples and add it to our ebook. Now, when you will edit everything, you can of course change the text, add effects to the text, like a border around it, changing the photos like so. And let's use, for example, this one. Basically, you add it like so, and maybe add your own website and so on and so forth. Add the contents, add the content here, and then you can just basically download it as a PDF. You can download it as PNG, but of course, if you will use it for example, Amazon, or you want to upload it somewhere and sell it, then you're going to use PDF print, and you're going to use best for professional printing, or maybe not. Maybe you can use it PDF standard. So the person could click links on it if you will put a link on your ebook like so. And now there's also an option to click on more. And when you scroll down and you see design, as you can see, there is simple booklet flip. And you can actually create here a flip book, which is also like an ebook. So I suggest you to use this one. It's really a great option for ebooks. And if this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.